Hi, I'm Jack Pearson with the C-Jack team of Compass, and we're at one of our new exceptional listings, 82 Windmill Lane, right on the border between Watermill and Bridgehampton, the center of the Hamptons universe. This is a fabulous, reconstructed, modern-day farmhouse, fantastic on 3 levels. Let's go take a look. The epitome of trifecta living. You know, people ask me what trifecta living is. It's when you as the cook can be part of the party. Someone dining is still within earshot, and then you have gorgeous relaxation living behind you. So all together, the trifecta. So 82 Windmill Lane not only offers that, but much, much more in a modern farmhouse that is built to perfection. Amazing outdoor living at 82 Windmill Lane. Look at this, Turkish marble patio, cool on the feet, beautiful dining outdoors, pool house, pool bath, and a killer oversized pool with a water feature. Look at the privacy, look at the sky. In the heart of horse country, Watermill, Bridgehampton, take your pick.